Dear students, welcome to NRS YouTube channel. In the last class, we discussed functions of an entrepreneur. In the functions of an entrepreneur, we already discussed that is first one is innovation. We discussed what is risk taking and decision making and organization and management. We discussed and we discussed that is size and scale of a business unit. Okay, so today's class will discuss some more functions of an entrepreneur. So we have sixth one, that is appointment of managerial and other workforce. Appointment of managerial and other workforce. So appointment of managerial in the sense, so you need to appointment that what type of that human source you need, right? So workforce in the sense, so you need to get the staff, you need to hire a candidate or an employee in such a way that he should be able to find out the he has to able to maintain the conditions as well. So more importantly, so it depend upon the uh, that position of the employee, position of the company, or the what type of that human resource you need, so that you can calculate it and you can well plan for the workforce. And next we have to arrange for factors of production and establishing coordination, that is land, labor, capital, etc., in appropriate proportion, and to maximize output by best utilization of these factors after coordinating them, to arrange for factors of production and establishing the coordination. So in the sense, you need to go for the planning in starting from the collecting the raw material in a manufacturing business activity, I am telling. Okay, so in that, starting from the production to the establishing the coordination. So being an entrepreneur, he has to know about the how the raw material has been taken and what will be the output of that product, and how to build a coordination between even that employee, or the coordination between a company and the public, so that he has to take care of that one. And next, procuring raw material and machinery, so that production process is not affected. So you need to also, being an entrepreneur, you should be very careful about the machinery what you are using in your company, so that, so without a machine, that it takes, that is a one type of a drawback we are getting, right? So we have human source and everything, but if you don't have a proper machinery work in your company, so then it will be affect the production. Okay, so in a big companies, right, manufacturing companies, so they take care about their machinery work, right? So and they have some backup machineries also to continue the process of manufacturing the product. You should not be stuck in any point of time. Okay, so you should take care about the machinery work. Control and next is the control and direction, general policy formulation and exercising control over all departments and directing them. So control and direction in the sense, you need to control the employees and their work, and you need to observe their day to day's progress, right? So you need to direct them to that. Suppose if there any department in a manufacturing industry, you need to take care about that field or an uh, field, so that you need to direct them that what will be the correct one, and how we can go through that particular planning, so that everything you need to take care about that. Next is finding suitable market. Okay, so this is also a very very important thing, that after when the product has been launched in the market, you should be take care about a very important thing. That is why, because the market is the only field that you will get a more revenue for your product, and the market is the only thing that each and every customer can uh, use that of your product, and he can give the review about the product, right? So he has to search for suitable market to sell the product. Being an entrepreneur, you have to suitable search for the suitable market to sell the product, for which he perform following functions. What are those? The first one is, that is advertisement and publicity. So advertisement or publicity is also one wing of making your product more uh, that establishing the product in the market, right? So you need to, being an entrepreneur, you should take care about the advertisement, what type of publicity you need, so that each and every customer should, end user must have a knowledge about that particular product and what will be the result. So if we know that particular thing, then definitely we will get a success in the market field. Next one, appointment of selling agents. So selling agents you need to appoint, and you need how to give a proper training for the agent to describe about the product to the customer, and what will be the result and what is the drawback, so that everything you should, being an that selling agents, so they can proper give the proper information about your product. Next is providing incentives to various selling intermediaries to promote sale, right? So you have to take the risk of that one, providing incentives and all, right? So that the at the end of the day you should have a proper review or a good review on your product, so that you need to appoint the selling agents, you have to perform that advertisement and publicity. So with of all these activity you can make your product demandable. So next is new invention. New inventions, encouraging new inventions and introducing innovations in production and techniques, sales, marketing and advertisement. So new invention, as already we discussed many times, that suppose in your company or in your manufacturing industry, if you are working with a older technology, then it will be affect to the that your market strategy, that uh, every day the customer needs a requirement will be keep on changing, right? He's not, suppose suppose any customer, if you release the product and they are familiar with that product, and they will get a bore on that product, right? So you being an entrepreneur, you need to give a new and innovative to your product. Okay. Next we have establishing relation with the government. To establish a relation with the government and its functionaries. In this regard, his functions are obtaining license, payment of taxes, and selling the product to the government, provision for export and import. Okay, so being, if we are organizing the manufacturing industry, it is obviously you need to obey all the rules and conditions of the government, right? So, and like obtaining the license on the particular product and payment of taxes, right? So every year you need to pay the tax, and selling the product to the government, provision for export and import, right? You need to take the permission for the export and import of your product. Next is establishing contact with competitors. Okay. The entrepreneur is in essence an institution which comprises of all people required to perform various functions. The task of such people is to innovate, adjust or combine various factors of production and expand on account of change in demand and market conditions. They must foresee the opportunity and must also be in position to make opportunities out of the given situation. So establishing contact with the competitors, in the sense, so being an entrepreneur you should be take care about your the competitors and their, right? And you have a good relationship with the competitors, so that it requires to perform various functions. The task of such people is to innovate, adjust and combine various factors of production. And being an entrepreneur, right, you need to some, you need to compromise with the some, their competitors, in the production point of view or in any point of view, that, right? So you have good relationship with the competitors. So these are the functions of an entrepreneur we have. Okay. and in the next class we'll start, that is role and significance or importance of an entrepreneur. So this is session 3, right? So then later we'll see the myths of entrepreneurship. So in another 2 3 classes the lesson entrepreneur skills 2 will be complete. Okay, so dear students, please watch the videos day by day, so you will get some idea about the topic, right? Suppose if you miss the video, then you will get a problem. So please don't miss it. And not only this only one subject, all the subject, so please take care about that. Okay, so in the next class we'll continue the role and significance importance of entrepreneurs. Thank you.